I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to your November 2021 prediction. This is a general reading for Cancer, and a small disclaimer, it's a general reading. So take what resonates. If it does not resonate, leave it be. We are going to do an overall energy, and then through tarot, we are going to do your health, your finance, career, relationship, what is your angelic messages, and things like that. Okay. So overall says action. If you have only been strategizing and planning all along, but you haven't been taking any action, it is the time for you guys to take action. Okay, that's what your spirit guides are telling you. That's what your overall message is. Because only strategy, planning, and not executing is just procrastinating. Whatever is the reason, you have to learn to take action. So in the month of November, you are strongly called upon to take action in whatever you have been planning for all along. Okay, in terms of health, you really need to take care, because all the swords are pointing out to you. So if you have not been into a healthy lifestyle, this is the right time for you to get into a healthy lifestyle. Okay, this is the right time for you to go for a walk. This is the right time for you to hit the gym. This is the right time for you to make healthy decisions and set healthy boundaries for you as well. In terms of relationship, I see Two of Wands. I see there's a long distance relationship happening here. I see that some of you are in a no contact zone. So in the month of November, it's a possibility that there could be some sort of communication only on social media for the ones whom it resonates with. There is definitely a long distance relationship. But you are thinking whether you need to travel to the person or the person needs to travel to you. The ones who are already in relationship right now, it's a possibility that you are thinking of the next level. You're strategizing, you're trying to propose, you're trying to have a commitment, you're trying to move on. Some of you could be planning a marriage as well. Okay, and when it comes to career, I see you strategizing. There's a lot of strategy happening for the month of November. So just don't keep strategizing. Execute, take action, plan it out. Yeah. See, the overall you get for finances is King of Swords. So the King of Swords is somebody who is extremely strategizing stuff. He's like cutthroat. So that is what you need to do when it comes to decision making capability for the month of November. Again, it's a general reading, so you got to take what resonates with you. For those who are looking for an interview, new interviews are coming. For those who are looking for a breakthrough, new information will be coming towards you for the month of November. New plans. You need to just learn to execute, take action. Okay. Also, overall, your message from your angels right now is, oh, that flipped. It says singing and dancing. So some of you really need to get into the high vibe state of mind, like just loosen up a bit, do the entire singing and dancing, express yourself, awaken. When you listen to something sad, you automatically start moping, you get into that whole phase. So don't get into that phase. Enjoy yourself a little bit, go chill a bit, get into the high vibe. The vibration will automatically go up. If you're listening to your favorite music, you'll be in a state of mind that will help you make better decisions in life as well. What is your spirit guide telling you? So the spirit guide for you is downloads and understanding, right? Lady Venus. So Lady Venus, see, Venus is a planetary of relationships, expressions. It's the planetary of emotions. So take care of that as well. Truth is being revealed. So whatever truth that you have been waiting for is going to be revealed to you. Deep insights will be coming forth in the month of November, and you will be very connected to your spirit guides, your astral realm. Focus on your success, focus on your path, focus on the light that is within you. I hope you've enjoyed this reading. If you have, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification icon. It's absolutely free. Somebody else could reach to this reading. If you do need a personal reading, please follow all the instructions below. Till we meet again, keep supporting my channel. Have a great one. Goodbye.